Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nisa and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked down in the description. And let's get right into the video. So here is the first color I have. And this is from the Beatles, and I love the Beatles. I didn't have the actual footage of me unboxing it. It just came wrapped in plastic because I was out of frame. It shows you the directions and how to store the product. All you want to do is cure it for a full 60 seconds. This is a transparent color, especially on the first layer, but you can add two to make it fully opaque. And I'm using Get No 32 swatch sticks, and then I will be curing this for a full 60 seconds. And everything I have in this video is from Amazon, and I feel like this is one of my most successful hauls to date. Everything just looked so good. But yes, this is the very first coat, and then I will do a second coat later on. Here is Gaoi. This is another brand I use all the time, and I have a ton of their products coming up for the rest of this haul. And here's the directions, same thing, cure for a full 60 seconds. And this color is very similar to the previous Beatles one, but it's just very pink. And instead of it taking like 2 layers to get opaque, this one would take around 3 layers to get opaque. So it is a very transparent color, which I love transparent nudes because they look more like acrylic, and it just looks so good, and it makes your press-ons look real, or if you're doing like gel X or something, it makes it look very real. And it doesn't look super fake. That's what I feel like. The very pigmented colors, they look really fake. So I'm just gonna do, again, 2 coats, cure them for 60 seconds. And here is the brown one, which is the Beatles one. And the formulas on these are very similar. They're a medium thick viscosity, which is very good because it does not run, it does not pool. And here's another polish from that very same company. But you guys, look how luxe this looks. And it is so heavy. This bottle was extremely heavy. And you guys, I was living for this entire experience. It felt so luxe, even though this wasn't very expensive. And you guys, this is gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous glitter color. It is literally tons of glitter mixed with a thick clear base, and it is extremely thick. But look how gorgeous this glitter is. Like, this is perfect for press-ons and gel X. Even you can encapsulate this with acrylic, hard gel, all of it. It is perfect. And the reason why I like this so much is you just put your layer on. It recommends doing 2, but I did 1 just because I love the way it looked with 1. Like, it's gorgeous. And you cure that for a full 60 seconds. Here is the second coat of the pink nude color. Sorry if you can hear my sister upstairs. But this color matches my background perfectly. And again, this is a gorgeous consistency. The other glitter one is going to be a little bit more difficult for some people to use just because it is so incredibly thick, but you just have to be patient with it and really blend it out. Here is a Cat's Eye gel polish, and this brand is kind of like an unknown brand, but you guys are going to see how amazing this is. So they market this as a universal cat eye color. So I went ahead and put it to the test by doing a series of tests. And the first one was just traditional black. And then I did over pink. And then I did over clear. Just to see, it says it's universal, but is it really universal? And as you saw, it came with a magnet. And here is the black. This is the Nail Wind black. And you guys, it's super pigmented. You have to make sure you use a very thin layer of this or it can cause the polish to wrinkle. This is a Madam Glam pink. I will show you guys what color it is later on. But this one actually cures in 30 seconds and not 60 like every other brand in this video. Cures in 60. This is the only one that doesn't. And my discount code for Madam Glam will be linked down below in the description. Up next, we have this kit of magnets that I bought separately, and these are for cat eye specifically. when you buy a cat eye kit, usually comes with the bar one and one that's double ended. So it comes with like a magnet like this, and it also comes with either this version where it has like the handle and it's just alone, or it has this bar up top and the circular one. That's typically what comes in the kits, because I've bought a cat eye kit before. I think I bought like 2 before. And here's this one. It's like a south end magnet, which that was not as strong as the other ones. And I will be testing these magnets later on. And this one is like a stylus. They put in 2 of them that are like styluses. They work, but they're not very strong. Like, they don't really pull like as strong as even the one that came in the kit. That's just a round block. It just doesn't pull as good as that one. This one is like a small, it looks like a ballpoint pen, but it's still not very strong. And I did test this one out on camera later on for you guys. And now into using the cat eye. So it said that it was universal, so I went ahead and tested it on all these colors. So first up is black, which is traditional cat eye stuff. You could like put it over white, I guess, but I don't know how that would look. I know typically the darker the color, the better, just because it just shines a whole lot more. And here, I'm just going in with the magnet that came with the gel polish, and it looks so good. Even in real life, it looked very good, and it was very, very vibrant. Sometimes cat eye is very deceptive because it looks good on camera, but in real life you can't see anything. Like, regardless of how much the cat eye polish costed, it literally won't look like anything. This one, I could see exactly what was going on, and it was gorgeous. Like, you could see the shift in person, which is the whole point of why I bought this universal one, because I want to be able to put it over multiple colors and just see what it does. And you guys, look at that. It literally looks like velvet. So I do definitely recommend it. Even if you are just going to be doing it on black, I really do love this universal color. And of course, they do have even more. So now time for the pink nail. And at first, I was very, very nervous due to the fact of when it went on, it was like a super dark silver. So I was like, oh, this is interesting, because I do even have a holographic version of this and not just a silver. I don't know what I thought it was going to be. I didn't think it was going to be silver, though. I thought it was going to be another color. So here I am testing out the flower and the bar. As you saw, it did something, but it didn't really do too much. This one did something too, but it wasn't as powerful as the one that came in the kit, I noticed. But it still did something. And I was putting it super close. Like, I even touched the gel polish a couple of times because I was that close, and it still didn't do much. This bar did very, very well. And I'm just going through and testing to see which magnets are good. Overall, I don't really recommend getting this entire kit because you're only going to be using a couple, like this bar or even the double-sided one. So maybe just go out and look for those specifically and not get this entire kit. But like I said, I will link this entire kit, even if you, I'm going to link this entire kit just in case you want it. But I do feel like the magnet that came with it did the best job. And it looks so good over this pink. Like, it didn't even look weird to me anymore. And I did go ahead and do another layer while it was still wet. So it kind of just, like, resets everything. And you guys, just look how pretty this is. And I'm not even someone who like likes glitter and cat's eye and all that, but like, it looks so good. Like, don't let it scare you away that it looked weird at first, because now it just looks so good. And it is very difficult to use cat eye in general. So if you're someone that's like, I don't know what's going on, I literally don't know what's going on either. Like, I don't know how to use cat eye. I'm not very good at it, but I just like to attempt to do cat eye, and I just stop until it looks right. . So once you get it to where you like it, cure it. Don't mess around with it too much when you like it, because you're not going to be able to get it back that exact way. So I went ahead and did a second coat like they recommended. Sometimes you can keep it as one coat or two coats, but just make sure you get it as even as you would like it. And here I am just testing out all of the tools. So far, the little magnet it came with appears to be the strongest and does the most. So I don't recommend getting that entire kit I got, but the magnets do work. They're just not super, super strong. The bar magnet was pretty good, and one of the traditional cat eye magnets was good. The flower didn't do too bad either, but I most definitely recommend just a little magnet that comes with it, or get a strong magnet. So here is just the clear one. I just want to see what it would do on its own, and you guys, it still looks so good. So if you were just doing it over your regular natural nail, it would look so good. And yes, I'm doing the same process, and I'm going to be curing it for a full 60 seconds, and then I'm pretty sure top coating will be next. I was having so much fun swatching these cat eye polishes, and everything in this haul is a banger. I completely forgot about the next product. But the next product are these reflective glitters, and you guys are gonna be gagged when you see them with and without flash. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch. As you can see, it comes in a variety of colors, and it's gorgeous. This next segment is going to be them with flash on. Look at this glitter on my hand. Like, look at the glitter on the box. It's gorgeous. I definitely recommend these. They look good in natural lighting and with the flash on. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys with the flash off. And here that is. This is just with my regular lights. So this is without flash. And I just have that LED desk lamp on. And this is the way they look. And on camera, they looked good. Like, they looked insane. But it's just, even in person, they looked even better. Like, I don't know how to describe it. I've been looking for these powders for so long, and I know a lot of people sell them like nowadays, but they don't even have all of these colors, and these are the basic colors. And then when you do find them, they sell them for like in these same jars, like same containers, same everything, for very, very, very expensive. So I'm glad that I found them on Amazon. But now it's time for top coating. And you guys, the one thing I was worried about with this glitter is, with one layer of top coat, is the pieces of glitter, like, are the shards of glitter going to stick out through the top coat? And the answer is no. As long as you do a nice like regular layer of top coat, it's going to be amazing. But also make sure when you're brushing the pieces of glitter before you cure the first time, before you like cure them solid, make sure everything is flat, because that's going to be even more helpful for you. But everything was nice and smooth. I'm pretty sure this is acrylic creamery top coat, which I don't think she's selling right now. And I do have another haul coming up. This was supposed to be my very last haul, by the way, for a while, but all the sales from like nail brands were just too good. Like, you guys, look how good that looks. I definitely recommend everything in this haul except for that cat eye kit. But like I said, I will leave it down below in the description, just in case you want it anyways. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I've linked to be linked to down below in the description. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. They will be linked down below in my link tree. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see down below in the comments or even in my community posts. And I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. This is the experimentation portion. I wanted to do reflective glitter and like reflective glitter gel with the cat eye to see what it looked like, because it said it's universal. So it's just the Mitzi, and I use these in a set that's coming up. And here are the cat eyes. And then you're going to see the glitter up close and then the other nudes. And you guys, it was a success. You guys are going to see, this is the Madame Glam color. And then here is the nail one polish. Here's the Gaoi brand. And then here's the Beatles brand. I definitely recommend all the gels that I bought. And they're not very expensive either. And like I said, I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.